Hey guys, I am back and I'm ready to begin with our regular scheduled programming. I don't know if you guys saw the last video, but that was real life and I just went through another reconstructive surgery and now I'm back, I'm healthy, and I'm ready to live life again. This year has been really hard. Sorry if that last video offended you. I was just telling you my story and I've lost some friends over it. I've lost a couple followers over it, but whatever, it's my story. If they can't handle it, then sorry. Me being me and hopefully helping some other people along the way. Okay, so today's DIY, we're gonna be doing a Dollar Tree DIY. I got the box of 12 mirrors from the Dollar Tree. I got it online. So when I went to go pick up the box of mirrors, I also picked up some white foam boards, so it'll be the little backing for my project. So much cheaper. I went to Michael's, even with my 40% discount coupons. They were $7.99 a board. It's insane. I don't think these were as expensive growing up. Like $7.99 for each foam board. Sorry, Mom. Sorry, my projects cost you $1 million. Like, really? $1. Foam board, same thing, and made in America for $1. I've seen all those fancy giant mirrors that have like all the little collage of mirrors or whatever. Those are really expensive and shipping must be like insane too, but this was $12, $13, like $15. And then some other supplies that I already had, but $15 compared to maybe $200-300 plus shipping and handling. So very excited, and it weighs less. That's another thing. I don't think it'll be as scary hanging above my bed and feeling like it's gonna fall on my face. Yay, lavish for less. Dollar Tree DIY, here we go. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we have the duct tape, the 6000, razor, don't hurt yourself, and some tweezers. So we have our box of mirrors and our white foam board. Okay, so the mirrors come with these little protective things on the corners. Take the staples out with my tweezers and get those off of here. Yay! I am going to start them together so it'll be nice and stable when I put my mirrors on. Okay, so now we have our foam board all taped together. We are going to start placing our mirrors. What I like about these is they don't have anything on the back, so there's nothing you have to like rip off besides a protective covering. They were just supposed to be held on by those, but they sit flush. They don't have that little stand thing. Placing the board long ways, putting them together side by side, and then the mirrors are gonna go the opposite way. Long way this way, side by side this way, and it'll leave you with extra board at the end, and you will use less boards and have some more extra for other projects. So I'm gonna be placing them like this, nice and flush with your white board. So now they're all lined up, I'm gonna start gluing them. Sure all my corners line up, because that'll drive me absolutely insane if I see it on my wall and the stuff is not lined up. And I'll probably rip it off my wall and do it all over again, because that's how I am. I can't deal with it. Okay, so now the E6000 glue is all dry and they're nice and secure. We are gonna play a game of let's not try to stab ourselves, and we're gonna cut this foam board. I know I'd be really annoyed if I could see from any part of my room or my bed or whatever the foam board. Found this rhinestone trim and it already has the sticky stuff on the back and it was only $1.50 at Michael's. I'm gonna peel off the backing and stick it to my board to cover up my foam board and any of the glue that might have spilled out. I can't believe this stuff was only $1.50. It's so shiny. And it already has the adhesive, so look how easy that was. And it's literally not going anywhere. It's stuck. So, very exciting. Okay, so obviously I have sparkles and I got a little crazy and I decided to do all the borders with the sparkles. So I will show you how I did that. I got a little sparkle crazy off camera. Oops. All I did was cut the strip in half and then peel and stick onto the middle of the frames. Okay guys, so I just finished my project. I'm so excited. I actually only used 2 nails. I was wondering how I was gonna get it on my wall and make it an easy project, and I found 2 nails that matched, same width, same size, so I nailed it in the middle of each one of those, and then I found little crystals and I put it over top of the nail head so you can't see the nail. So that's why I have all the little crystals in the middle, and I will insert those so you can see what they are. Love that I cannot see the foam board underneath. All I see is bling and crystals. I'm so glad I put the border on, otherwise I'd probably been annoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you have any suggestions on what you want to see me do next, whether it be hair, makeup, a product review, just let me know. I would be super interested to hear from you guys. So comment below and let me know. Please like, subscribe, share it with your friends, hit the little notification bell. Lavish for less. Until next time. Mwah! Bye! Drop and roll. Lily, did you just fart? You're gross. My dog did the other thing.